So here we are at Kshitij 2026. So we have officially left for Shreya Ghoshal's Pro Night at JVPD ground by Mediby's Kshitij. I am not going as a participant. Of course, I have a pass for the Pro Night. I am planning to participate for the competition of split screen cinema, which is on 23rd, which is on Friday. But the thing is that I have something special on Friday, which I am anticipating very much. So I am not sure if I'll get the chance to participate in the split screen cinema competition, but I am hoping for the best. Let's see. Let's go. But one thing is for sure, and it is that today we are going to attend the Pro Night of Shreya Ghoshal. Let's go. So I'm at Vileparle, rickshaw mein hu, heading towards JVPD. We'll reach there in about, I guess, 10 minutes. Let's see how it goes. We'll see you directly over there. That was a security check in directly. अभी यहाँ पे last year arcade warehouse हुआ तो वहाँ पे entry है. So let's just explore the place. So it's 5:50 p.m. and the place is actually filled with people. The Pro Night is at 8 p.m. ये 4 हो गया तो 4 का डबल 8 वैसा. Sorry. Just glad that I got another chance to be at the Pro Night of Kshitij. The first time I went was in 2023 for Sunidhi Chauhan, and this time it is for Shreya Ghoshal. So I am just squeezing through the crowd. यहाँ पे और भी बहुत सारे places है to shop and everything. You can just get stuff for yourself. It is just better to grab your place in the beginning itself, क्योंकि बाद में chance नहीं मिलने वाला. I know there must be a lot of noise over here. That's why I got my mic. So yeah, keep watching.
Toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes.
Okay, so I don't know the name of the game. It's a cool game, but
Whatever you think it is.
okay, let's call it touch game. Okay, so you have to touch your head, shoulder, knee and ankle, and इन सबके बीच में मैं एक बार प्रोटीन बार बोलूँगी and जो भी प्रोटीन बार ले लेगा वो जीत जाएगा. Okay, so it's a game of focus basically and reflex of course. So yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Okay guys, we'll start in 3, 2, 1, go. Shoulder, knee, ankle, shoulder, ankle, shoulder, head, ankle, head, protein bar. ओह भाई लड़ना नहीं था यार.
जिसका हाथ पहले लगेगा वो जीतेगा, जो ग्रैब करेगा वो जीतेगा.
ये कैमरा है, इसमें जाओ चेक करो.
तो टेक्निकली मेरा हाथ लगा था पहले. थर्ड अंपायर अभी डिसीजन देंगे, सो विल चेक कौन जीतेगा. ओके,
कौन जीतेगा.
काइंड ऑफ अ फन गेम आई पार्टिसिपेटेड इन एंड जस्ट गोइंग ऑन एंड एवरीथिंग. अभी जो मैंने गेम खेला दैट वाज ऑफ कोर्स थ्रू द प्रोटीन बार थिंग. KitKat में भी गेम चल रहे हैं. Everywhere the games are going on and it's just the vibe. I am thinking to have something but I'm already kind of full. So let's see what we can have. There are a lot of options. There are a variety of options over here. Let's see what we can have. There is like बहुत ज़्यादा variety है, but I don't want to get busy in this and miss out on my place for the Pro Night. So it's important you get into the line before it gets too late. So let's see. By the way, they have this first aid section जहाँ पे of course obviously होगा ही थोड़ा सा ट्रीटमेंट वगैरह के लिए माइनर कुछ लग वग गया तो whatever. Because while playing that protein bar snatching game, I got a little hurt, maybe नाखून लग गया रहेगा, a little bit of bleeding. So I'll just get a first aid done. ये रुकना चाहिए. If you check out each and every stall, you are left confused. So it's just better to grab something that you feel safe with. So I'm grabbing a coffee, grab a place and just stand over there till the pro night ends. So yeah, वापस नीचे देख रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे देखना है, भूल जाता हूँ मैं. Thank you. This is the coffee and this is the place. We are at JVPD ground and we are about to witness Shreya Ghoshal's pro night for Miti Bai Kshitij. Enjoy. You can see yourself in that screen, of course. People are all excited. The lights have started blinking. 6:50 PM and the place is already packed. The show is at 7:30 to 8. मतलब some उसके बीच में ही चालू होगा.
Everybody from the front to the back, to the left to the right, parents, teachers included. Make some noise, everybody! Come on, come on! Ladies and gentlemen, I said hello. Are you ready? It's a happy heart. Remembering one of my favorites, one of our favorites, Krishna Kumar Kunna, the tribute to the one and only KK. जाने मैं कैसे तेरा हुआ हूँ, मुझे तो लगता है मैं शायद तेरे दिल की दुआ हूँ.
मुझको हीरा दे दे, कसमें दीवाने दे, मेरी दुआओं के इशारों को सहारे दे, अपने कदम की तरह लाए, घर भी तूने गाए, सुन रहा है ना तू. Shritage, make some noise! Are you ready for tonight? Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to dance? Are you ready to clap with me? Come on, let's party, everyone! Thank you so much. Yes. लव इज लव. एक बार जब सच्चा प्यार हो जाता है तो उसके बिछड़ने का गम आपको रुला देता है और ऐसे रुलाता है उस पर अच्छे अच्छे गाने बन जाते हैं. सो हम जो आर्टिस्ट हैं, जितने सिंगर्स, म्यूजिशियंस एंड सॉन्ग राइटर, we love this emotion. We love to make songs on heartbreak. So let's celebrate this beautiful emotion. दिल टूटने वाला, दिल जले वालों, दिल जलों का गाना है. Let's sing it together, alright?
नहीं जीना तेरे बाजों, नहीं जीना, नहीं जीना, नहीं जीना तेरे बाजों, नहीं जीना, नहीं जीना, नहीं जीना तेरे बाजों, नहीं जीना, नहीं जीना, नहीं जीना तेरे बाजों, नहीं जीना.
मैं तेनू समझा ना तेरे बिना तू की जाने प्यार मेरा, मैं करूँ इंतजार तेरा, तू दिल को यूं जान मेरी. मैं तेनू समझा ना तेरे बिना लगता जी. बहुत सारे दिल टूटे हैं, बहुत तादाद में दिल टूटे हैं. इतने जोर जोर से सैड सॉन्ग गाया. It's lovely. I'll get it from you. क्या करें यार, वो जो लिखा है मुझे तो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, दिखाई भी नहीं दे रहा. But whatever, I love you. इधर क्षितिज की जो लड़कियां हैं ना, ये बड़ी खूबसूरत हैं। सारी जो इतनी इतनी मतलब क्यूट एंड हॉट का कॉम्बिनेशन है ना, वो है आज। अब थोड़ा और है ना ताकत, थोड़ा सा और मस्ती कर सकते, राइट? बट आई नीड दिस जोश। Keep roaring for yourselves, Ritesh. It was an incredible night. Zordar Talia. Keep roaring, keep roaring, keep roaring.
Not gonna lie, but Kshitij post Pro Nights has a very weirdly beautiful vibe, in my opinion. Someone who is a middle bike student must be enjoying this time definitely for sure.
It was a great concert overall, I would say. And, this is my second experience at a Pro Night of Kshitij, and it was of course it was wonderful. So I guess this was the small video that I have made this time. But anyways, I hope you liked this Pro Night event, and if you liked the video overall, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and put your thoughts in the comments down below. What's your name, please?
Hi, my name is Prem.
Prem, W Prem लिखना भाई.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
YouTuber.
Yeah.
So
I am.
subscribe him and do follow him.
Thank you so much. Means a lot. Enjoy the evening, man.
Yeah, sure, man.
Good night.
Have a good day.
So, क्या बोल रहा था मैं? Comment your thoughts below. I'll see you sooner than what you think. Take care. Bye bye. Peace out.
This was a mistake. I thought it will be थोड़ा सा sweet, but I did not listen to that seller. उन्होंने खट्टा बोला था, but this is bad.